Well, I'll tell you what, after a long day of work, there's nothing quite better than coming out here, having myself a nice little Chipotle action chips, salsa, chicken burrito, with cupcake, and the nice outdoors of my backyard, of my home. Been busy with work and stuff and haven't really been able to enjoy this. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think that's Black Magic Woman playing in the background. I only know that because of Guitar Hero 3. Alright, have a nice peaceful rest of your day, guys. Peace out.